Welcome back, guys. Today I will be writing a quadratic expression in the vertex form. Let's get started. So today I will be writing an expression in the vertex form. Now here we need the turning point. The turning point is HK. H stands for X and K stands for Y, and this is known as our vertex. So just remember the vertex is HK. Now the vertex form is when we replace A, H, and K in this general form. So this is a general form that I'm going to substitute the values A, also the value for H, which is the X value for the turning point, and K, which is the Y value for my turning point. Now, just remember the general form for a quadratic. It is ax squared plus bx plus c. A is always a coefficient of x squared, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant. H, to find H, it's minus b over 2a, and to find k, it will be equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. For this activity, I am going to find the turning points for this quadratic, turning point HK. First, identify my A, which is a coefficient of x squared. That will be 2. B is a coefficient of x. That will be minus 12. And C, which is a constant, and that is 6. So finding out what is the value of H, I am going to use H is equal to minus B over 2A, where I've already identified what is B. So B is negative 12 and A is 2. Now negative times negative, that's positive. So this is positive 12 over 2 2's 4. So therefore, simplifying this further, dividing 12 by 4, we have 3 for H. Finding out what is K, we are going to use the formula K is equal to 4AC minus B squared all over 4A. I've already identified what is A, C, and B. So substituting, I will have 4 times A, which is 2. So 4 times 2, C, which is 6, minus B squared, and B is negative 12. So I have negative 12 in bracket being all square, all over 4 times A, so 4 times 2. So simplifying this, 4 2's 8 in the denominator, while 4 times 2, that's 8, and 8 6's 48. When I square negative 12, that's positive 144 because of the subtraction sign. That's why I have a minus still remaining. So 48 minus 144, that's negative 96. Then I divide it by 8. So therefore, I have my K to be equal to negative 12. So my turning point is H is 3 and K is negative 12. For the next part, I will be writing it in vertex form. So writing it in vertex form, I am going to substitute A, which is 2. H is found on the previous activity where H is 3. So I have minus 3 all square. And remember, I found K. K is minus 12. So the plus sign that I have here will change the sign, will be changed to a minus sign. So here we have the following in vertex form. The next question, I am going to find the turning point using h. H is minus b over 2a. B is the coefficient of x, and as you can see in front of x I have a minus 4, so I will replace this letter b with negative 4. Now in the denominator a, if you see in front of x is a minus, so that means it's negative 1. Now two negatives makes it a positive, so we have 4 over negative 2, because 2 times minus 1 is negative 2, and dividing this to get minus 2. So 4 divided by negative 2, that's negative 2. Now to find k, we are going to use the same formula as before. 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. So substituting what is a, b, and c. A is the coefficient of x squared. So a is negative 1. Remember, if you have minus x, then that means that's a negative 1 in front of the x squared. B, the coefficient of b is negative 4, and c is 1. So a is minus 1, c is 1, minus b, which is negative 4 all square, all over 4 times a, so it's 4 times minus 1. So 4 times negative 1, that's negative 4 times 1, that's minus 4, minus minus 4 squared, that's 16 over 4 times negative 1, that's negative 4. Minus 4 minus 16, that's negative 20, and dividing this by minus 4, so I have k to be 5. So my turning point, h is negative 2, and k is 5. So that's the turning point. Now to write it in the form, I am just going to replace what is a is negative 1. K is a minus number, so what's going to happen here? The minus 2 is going to change the sign. So we have minus minus 2 all square, and then k, in this case, k is positive 5. So I am going to write positive 5 here. So in other words, I can have minus x plus 2 all square plus 5, and this is the vertex form. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have more questions, you can always leave a comment below. Have a great day.